Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900. It has been driven approximately 199,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L gasoline V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in gold, this extended cab 2WD pickup has been well maintained and remains clean both inside and out. The truck is equipped with air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks, providing added comfort and convenience for everyday driving. It also rides on a set of like-new tires, contributing to a smooth and dependable driving experience. The vehicle has been well cared for throughout its life, and a clean title is in hand, ready for its next owner. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid, well-kept full-size pickup that is ready to drive and enjoy.
Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500. It has been driven approximately 161,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 7.4L big block V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in tan with a matching tan interior, this two-wheel drive pickup features a clean and comfortable cabin with a 60/40 split bench seat. It comes equipped with the factory tow package, a fifth-wheel receiver, a Line-X bedliner, and a toolbox. The truck also benefits from a recently replaced transmission with fewer than 1,000 miles of use.
It is currently registered as non-operational with no outstanding back registration fees.
While the roof and hood show the typical paint fading commonly seen on 1990s Chevrolet trucks, it remains a solid, capable pickup that offers excellent hauling power and a comfortable ride.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, powered by a dependable 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with a rebuilt 4L60 automatic transmission. Finished in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, the truck has been driven approximately 180,000 miles and continues to run and drive very well. It is dependable enough to be driven anywhere and comes with a clear title. The body is exceptionally solid, with only minor surface rust at the bottom of the driver's door, while the rest of the truck remains virtually rust-free. Both the floors and frame are in excellent condition, highlighting how well the truck has been preserved over the years. Inside, the brown interior is clean and well maintained,
with all factory features functioning as they should.
The truck has also been upgraded with a cowl hood, dual exhaust, and powder-coated wheels, giving it a more aggressive appearance while maintaining its classic style. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 presents itself as a solid, well-kept pickup that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.
Number 4.
2002 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,900. It has been driven approximately 116,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4.8L Vortec gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission.
Finished in gray with a black interior, the truck has been exceptionally well cared for and remains remarkably clean inside and out.
It has been garage kept since new, with routine oil changes performed every 3,500 miles, reflecting the level of maintenance it has received over the years. In addition to its excellent overall condition, the truck is equipped with a Beltec 2.4 lowering kit, centerline billet wheels, brand new tires, and a variety of billet accessories that enhance its appearance. The factory pinstripes preserve its original styling, while a clean title and current registration ensure it is ready for its next owner. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a well-maintained, tastefully upgraded pickup that is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 5.
1998 Nissan Frontier, price $8,950. It has been driven approximately 252,000 miles and features a black exterior, gray interior, and a 5-speed manual transmission.
Comes with a rebuilt engine that has approximately 30,000 miles since completion.
It is equipped with 4-wheel drive, recently rebuilt manual locking hubs, air conditioning, cruise control, a clean Colorado title, and has received numerous repairs. Additional features include a matching topper, toolbox, original paint, stock suspension, and stock wheels fitted with newer tires. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with a smooth shifting transmission, a fully functional 4-wheel drive system, and all major components operating as they should. The interior remains very clean, with only a minor issue of a slightly sagging headliner.
The original exterior paint shows some fading on the hood along with a few small rust spots. Number 6.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, powered by a 5.0-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It has been driven approximately 94,000 miles and is noted for its reliable performance and strong running condition. The truck is finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, both of which remain in original, unmodified condition, preserving its factory appearance and character. the vehicle is reported to start consistently without issues and continues to run smoothly, reflecting solid mechanical health for its age. While it does not come equipped with air conditioning, it still functions as a dependable driving truck.
The interior remains intact and original, showing its vintage design, though it may reflect normal wear consistent with its age. Number 7.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has been driven 294,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a timeless white exterior paired with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers a classic appearance while remaining practical. It starts, runs, and drives well, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Recent mechanical work includes rebuilt cylinder heads and the installation of new head gaskets, providing added confidence in the truck's reliability and helping ensure it is ready for many more miles on the road. The truck also retains its original stock exhaust system, making it an excellent option for buyers who appreciate an unmodified vehicle. Inside, the cabin provides a comfortable and functional driving environment with both the air conditioning and heating systems in working order, making the truck suitable for year-round use. The air conditioning may simply need a small recharge of Freon to deliver optimal cooling performance, but everything else functions as expected.
Number 8.
1999 Dodge Ram 250, price $5,900. It has been driven 298,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, an orange exterior, a gray interior, and a dependable 5.9L Cummins turbo diesel engine. Featuring a capable 4x4 drivetrain, this diesel-powered pickup is built to handle demanding jobs with ease. It is a reliable workhorse with a strong running engine, making it an excellent choice for hauling equipment, towing heavy loads, or tackling daily tasks around the farm or job site. It also comes with a clean title and a 1,100-pound hydraulic liftgate, making it especially useful for loading mowers, generators, compressors, pallets, and other heavy equipment. The truck is mechanically solid and ready to work, while the body and interior remain in fair to good condition with scratches, dents, and wear that are consistent with its age and years of use.
Number 9.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,300. It has been driven 190,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, this 4x4 truck runs and drives great, making it a dependable choice for both daily driving and light-duty work. It comes equipped with an aftermarket stereo for improved audio quality and a bedliner to help protect the truck bed from wear and damage. The vehicle also includes a clean Colorado title, which is in hand and ready for its next owner.
Overall, this well-maintained Sierra offers reliable performance, practical features, and the capability expected from a classic GMC pickup. Number 10.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $5,950. It has traveled 165,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 2.4-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission.
Finished in a classic green exterior with a clean gray interior, this Tacoma offers the durability, simplicity, and reliability.
Originally from California, it benefits from a rust-free body, an increasingly rare feature that adds to its overall appeal and long-term value. Whether used as a dependable daily driver, a capable work truck, or a solid platform for future upgrades, this Tacoma stands out as a clean, honest example that has been well maintained and is ready to provide many more miles of reliable performance for its next owner.